If you own a Mark 7 Golf R and you're getting ready to tune it, or maybe you've already started modifying and you're wondering where to go next, this is your video. Get ready for everything IE tuning. I'm talking Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 3, Core, Pro, Apex tuning suites, the hardware required for each setup, and most importantly, what each one actually feels like to drive. Because the Mark 7 Golf R is one of the most capable modern performance platforms VW has ever built. Its turbocharged power, all-wheel drive traction, everyday comfort, and massive tuning potential is all wrapped up into one incredibly refined package. Whether this is your daily driver, canyon carver, roll race car, or weekend track build, the Golf R responds unbelievably well to tuning, and Stage 1 is where the transformation begins. With Stage 1, no hardware upgrades are needed, and it can be installed on a completely stock Golf R. Stage 1 recalibrates the factory ECU to unleash major hidden power and responsiveness left on the table from the factory. And the difference is immediate. Throttle response sharpens dramatically. Torque comes in harder and earlier, acceleration feels relentless, and with the all-wheel drive system, power actually reaches the ground. Launches become brutally effective, mid-range acceleration feels far stronger, and the entire car just feels lighter, sharper, and more aggressive without sacrificing that factory refinement. You also gain higher RPM limits, removed speed limiters, improved drivability, and smoother, more consistent power delivery throughout the entire rev range. And with gains of up to roughly 75 horsepower, Stage 1 delivers an enormous jump in performance with minimal effort. You can absolutely keep the car stock on Stage 1, but most owners pair this with upgrades like an IE intake and catback exhaust to improve airflow and give the Golf R that presence that it deserves with those really fun turbo noises. Now, as boost and power increase, so does heat. And that's why we strongly recommend an upgrade to an IE FDS intercooler at any stage level. Better cooling helps the car consistently hold power instead of pulling timing and boost as temperatures rise. And if your Golf R has an automatic transmission, the IE DSG tune becomes one of the biggest upgrades you can make. The factory transmission contains built-in torque limits that restrict power. Our DSG tune safely raises those limits, unlocks the full high torque engine files, increases the rev limiter to 7,000 RPM, and dramatically improves shift speed, launch behavior, and overall responsiveness. If you're not ready for the DSG tune yet, or you own a manual transmission car with a stock clutch, no problem. Your engine tune also includes lower torque files designed specifically for those setups. You can run that until you're ready to upgrade later. Your Golf R is equipped with a larger IS38 turbocharger from the factory, and IE Stage 2 has been designed to maximize that turbo's power output safely and properly. To do this, you'll need supporting hardware upgrades designed to improve airflow, cooling, and exhaust flow. That includes an intake, intercooler, downpipe, and a DSG tune for automatic cars or a clutch for manuals. And this is important. With IE tunes, we don't just provide the software, but also the hardware designed specifically for your tune, so you never have to worry about compatibility. With the correct hardware installed, Stage 2 transforms the Golf R into an incredibly fast street car with up to 461 horsepower. And the car feels just absolutely relentless. Boost recovery becomes instant, acceleration pulls you into the seat, and the all-wheel drive launches are just chest pounding. Stage 3 is where the Golf R starts to feel genuinely exotic. This is the all-out build for drivers chasing maximum performance from the Mark 7 2.0T platform. Stage 3 pairs the Golf R with Garrett's GT2260S turbocharger and delivers up to 491 horsepower depending on fuel and supporting modifications. You're going to need an intake, intercooler, downpipe, DSG tune, and upgraded fueling with the IE HPFP upgrade. The factory turbocharger delivers strong mid-range torque, but the GT2260S completely widens and extends the power band instead of tapering off in the higher RPM. The car continues pulling harder and harder all the way to redline. Highway acceleration becomes violent, launches feel absurd, and the Golf R puts power down in a way few street cars can. And despite the massive jump in performance, drivability remains incredibly refined for a setup at this power level with extremely minimal turbo lag. Do you have ethanol at your local pump and you want the most power and flexibility possible? Adding an IE TrueFlex sensor kit unlocks full flex fuel capability. That means your Golf R can safely run 91 octane, 93 octane, or full 85, or any mix in between, and the tune will automatically adjust itself in real time based on the ethanol content in the tank. That means no reflashing, no map switching, and no guessing. So now that we've covered stages, let's get into IE tuning suites. We have spent years pushing tuning technology forward with features like POWERlink Mobile, auto protect safety monitoring, TrueFlex rolling anti-lag, no lift shift, and live adjustable tuning features. This is where Core, Pro, and Apex come in. Your stage determines your hardware level and power output. Your suite determines your tuning features. Core is the streamlined entry point. It includes all standard tuning features with Stage 1 support, 91 and 93 octane files, POWERlink mobile flashing, auto protect, raised rev limits, corrected boost gauge, brake boosting, free revving, disabled speed limiter, and a start-stop memory. If you want major performance gains and improved drivability while keeping things simple and affordable, Core is the perfect starting point. Pro adds advanced tuning flexibility. This tune suite includes everything from Core, plus TrueFlex ethanol support, adjustable crackles, instant valet mode, kickdown disabling, and a manual fan control. Pro also unlocks Stage 2 support, which means you can run Stage 1 Pro or Stage 2 Pro while keeping all those added features. And finally, Apex is the full performance ecosystem. This suite unlocks all tuning features and stages, plus adds advanced racing style features including anti-lag launch control, rolling anti-lag, no lift shift, boost by gear, and adjustable throttle response. Apex is also required for Stage 3 map packs. You can run Stage 1 Apex, Stage 2 Apex, or full Stage 3 Apex depending on how far you want to take your Golf R build. And the best part? Your Mark 7R can evolve over time. When upgrading from Core to Pro to Apex, you only pay the difference, making it easy to grow your build at your own pace. You can also purchase tune upgrades, transmission tuning, or turbo map packs directly through the POWERlink app right on your phone. If you want exact feature breakdowns such as hardware requirements, fuel support, or power figures for your Golf R, you'll find everything on performancebyie.com. And whether you want a silly, fast, and refined Stage 1 daily driver or an all-wheel drive monster capable of embarrassing cars twice its price, IE gives you everything you need to build your Mark 7 Golf R exactly the way you imagined. It's the way it should have come right from the factory.